Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome to the channel. Yes, I'm super hyped. I'm super happy today. I don't know why, but I'm just hyped today. So welcome to the channel. My name is Lovett Amaka. Yes, and then welcome. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for stopping, watching my video, engaging, liking, sharing. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you guys for the support. And if you're an old subscribers, mwah, 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 a lot of kisses, a lot of hugs. Yeah, so welcome to another vlog. Yes, so to this vlog, I'm just going to be doing just one activity today, because I know once I leave this house, coming back would be maybe in the next 4 hours. So today I just want to go for winter shopping. Yes, it's getting cold. In my last video you can see that I was struggling with the cold. So today I'm following you guys ideas, I'm following you guys advice, and I want to go for winter shopping. Now I've already done some shopping online. Yes, I ordered some things online like winter jackets and then a boot. Yes, but I just want to see what the physical store has, and like physical stores have. Now the reason why I even prefer shopping online is because of the season, a lot of people are doing Christmas sales and all that, so their prices are quite fair and cheap. So I don't know if the physical stores are going to be offering that sales and all that, but I'm going to check it out. So today I want to check out for thermals, I want to check out for head warmers and then gloves and any other thing that's going to help me to keep myself safe from the cold. So guys, that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm also going to take you guys along with me. So for the winter jacket, I ordered one online, so I just want to see the prices, and then maybe I see something I like, because I already have one. I ordered one, this one. Yes, I ordered this one, but I didn't like it because it was short. Then I'm just going to see if there's anything on the physical store, like winter jacket, on any of the physical store that I might like. So I'm just going to check Sports Direct and then other places to see what they have, and then if the price is fair, I'm going to buy another jacket. But if it's not, I'm just going to work with what I ordered online, and I'm going to be unboxing that too when I receive it. So come along guys.
Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find the why I gave you all you needing. I know what you like. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Oh. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find the why I gave you all you needing. I know what you like. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Yeah, girls want girls. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you all you need. I know what you like.
So guys, we couldn't see anything. Everything in Nest or River Island is really expensive, so we got to. They have nice stores. So this is, I think, Nest. Yeah, nice stores. I think these work trousers, corporate trousers. Very nice. I'm just feeding my eyes. Guys, I think this is the one I need.
Extreme blue, so I think this would be quite similar.
Extreme
Yeah, the one I'm
blue.
blue. Stuff.
Oh,
This is it's a lot of whatever you can spell. So you can use it here, you can use Chester.
okay, just for the other.
Then try a little bit. That's nice, fresh.
Yeah.
See the blue one that I
So guys, this place is just very close to my house, and trust me, they have like lots of nice stuffs. And the price, guys, the price is mad price. I think they do, this is handmade or something, I don't know. They have kids sections. It's really nice. So I bought one. I wanted to buy 2 boots, but I said I hold myself. I bought just one, and then yes. So that's just it, guys. I bought one. I think I like this one. See the price. So I'm just going to check it out. They have other stuff. I just want to buy boots here because they are really cheap. £24. It's really fine. It's really fine. So I'm thinking of, I saw one. No, not this. I think I like this one. This too. It's £14. So I'm just going to get my size. Sorry, I'm vlogging. Okay, guys. See, guys, my next buy, I'm definitely buying this one. Sorry, I'm definitely buying this. Any of this. They have a lot of nice stuff, really. And for the price, see, guys, different shoes, different designs. I got one of this, yes. So tell me if it's nice. I bought it and I got it 10% student discount for this. So basically, next time I'm going to come back and buy more. They have nice stuff, really. They do. So guys, I went for winter shopping and I couldn't buy a lot, but this is what I could get. Their jacket was so super expensive, their winter jacket. So I just picked the ones I got online. So I got a bag. I got this bag. I don't know if you can see. I got this bag because this is my job. Handbag is not going to work at all. So I got this backpack. Yeah, strap. So this is what it looks like. It's handmade. I got it from that handmade shop. So I'm not going to be using it for work. Everything is going to be in here. At least I'm comfortable when I'm moving around and everything. So I got this. Yes. And I got this boot. I think I showed you. I got this boot. Kind of cute. I got this boot from the handmade shoe shop. Yes. And guys, the prices are really affordable. And then it's what I'm looking for, like exactly what I'm looking. I'm still going to get more. I'm still going to get more because they have varieties of handmade stuff, good quality. So this is the one I got, and I'm going to be wearing it today for work. As you can see, I'm ready for work. So that's the few things I got from all my shopping. I went to all those shops and I did not see anything I can afford. Not like I cannot afford it, but I feel like I can get it cheaper online. So why buy it? So this is ones I got on the physical store, and they're giving 10% discount. So guys, guess what? One of my church members, she's an elderly though. She called me this morning that she's going to be dropping by my house with her husband, and then she's going to be dropping some stuff like food. I already know it was food because she told me in one of the church services. And then this morning she texted me that, oh, they're coming around today. So I don't know, I'm just happy because I feel blessed with people already, and it's not been long I've been in the UK, but I feel blessed. They have me in mind, they have us in mind, me and my flatmates. So this is, let me open it. You know, we are not used to their food, but we'll get used to it this time. This is the first time I'm trying. I don't know, but let me open it. So this is what it looks like. I don't know what it is or taste for now, but hopefully it's going to taste nice, I guess, because she asked me what our food looks like in Africa, and then she sent me bread. She brought bread too, yeah, because Morrison's bread, yes, and then basmati rice. So this rice, ideally, I think you just drop it into a boiled water for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then your rice is ready. So that's what I'm going to be trying it. I hope I can eat it, but I know I will eat it definitely, because yeah. So that is what I was blessed with this Saturday morning. Yes. So guys, when I try it, I'm going to give you guys a review of how it tastes like. So guys, my rice and then English stew is ready, but I added more pepper, more Maggi, more salt to it to bring out more taste to it, or to give it more taste. And trust me, it was delicious, but even more delicious with the bread she brought with it. So I think I prefer it with the bread. And then that was all. It was yummy.